Hi, I'm joined by Will from CareCo, and today we're looking at the iGo Ultra X-Fold mobility scooter. And this is a really practical scooter, isn't it?
Exactly. So the Ultra X-Fold fits into our folding scooter range. It's a really well-built, sturdy design product that's going to be great for day-to-day use. You're absolutely right, it's practical and it's really solidly built.
Let's look at the features, and starting off with the solidly built, you're absolutely right, it looks really sturdy.
Yeah, so it's an aluminium frame construction. So the key thing behind the X-Fold was to make sure that it could deal with the day-to-day use, and it could deal with the day-to-day ability to be able to go on public transport, to be able to go into the boot of the car and know that when you get out the other side that you're going to be able to hop on and start using the product, and it's always going to work.
And what's also quite unusual for a folding mobility scooter, actually it's just one lever that you pull and it all stays together, but actually becomes really easy to then maneuver around.
Exactly. So in terms of, it's not the lightest in terms of the actual frame itself, because it is made of aluminium, but in terms of ease of being able to get it concertinaed and into a compact unit, then the X-Fold really comes into its own. Like you say, you just lift the lever, you can leave the seat on or off, and then you just adjust the tiller head to bring it in. But quite quickly and quite easy, you can get the scooter completely folded down, and then you'll stand it on the rear end, the back of the scooter. That's what the wheels are for here. So you can stand it up and you can wheel it into a position. That's one of the key things about the X-Fold as well, is the practicalities of actually getting it into quite a small unit when you're not using the product.
And again, we've got controls on the tiller head which are very straightforward.
Yeah, really straightforward. So you've got a fully height adjustable tiller, so you can find the height that's going to be suitable for you. You've also got angle adjustment on that as well, so depending on how you like your controls position, you can bring them closer to you or further away. And then on the tiller head itself, like you say, it's just, you've got the battery gauge, so from red being low on charge to green being a full charge. And then the only button on there is the forward and reverse switch, so the throttle control is on the right hand side.
And it's a good, comfortable ride. You've got a lovely seat there, which again, you can adjust, and some good solid wheels.
So you can fold the backrest, and it's still got really nice padding in there, even though it's nice and lightweight. Again, on the front section, something that you usually won't find on a folding scooter is good legroom, and that's exactly what you get on this. You've got narrower front wheels, so you've still got 4 wheels, but you've got them slightly narrower. The added benefit on the X-Fold is you've got a really good turning circle.
And what about the battery, the range and speed and so on?
Yeah, so it's got 2 12-volt 10 amp hour battery packs. So you're going to get a range of up to 10 miles. The good thing about the battery pack is it's removable, and you can do on and off board charging.
Thanks very much indeed, Will. That's great.
No problem at all.
So there you have it, the really practical iGo Ultra X-Fold mobility scooter. All the details available on the website careco.co.uk. It's available now online, on mobile, on tablet, in store, or of course you can always give us a call. Thanks for watching.